looks out and we just look over and see it. I'll assume it's over there.
Hey, look at the little details, bro.
It's only like
Shout out to Lmfaoo Society. Look at these fools. They like deep as hell. That's what they do.
Oh no, you're just fine. And here's your
layers.
what are you talking about? That's what a lot of tuners do to stop people from freaking out.
Holy shit.
Always see your Subaru.
You said what?
I said I always see your Subie online.
For real? Look at them. They think they so cool. Hoonigan. Look at them. Look at this. What is... These people think they are boxer squad. I'm just trolling, I'm sorry. Hey, what? V-Tech! Hey, don't be hating. What? What? No.
So if I bought a Honda Grom, I could put that on the back. There's a wagon.
You said what?
Tech seminar starts in just a few minutes in the Learning Center, just next to the Boxer Fest info booth. The subject booth.
Yep. I like when they do that though. When they blend it.
You should probably go up.
ABM baby. The boys. It's only the first one I've seen though. Oh shit, Helsing!
You know, during the judgment, you would see his muscle is painted.
See, you see, ladies, this is what you do. This is what the guys do. Okay, that's all they care about is food.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga. Translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.